All right, here is the Voronoi Diagrams Day 2 homework, second page. Some people had questions on these problems. So how do I figure out where the boundary line is? We know there's something missing right around here. And we know it's going to be between B and C. So the first thing I can do is I can look, what is the slope between B and C? So it goes up 1, 2, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So if it goes up 2 and over 4, that means the slope of BC is equal to 1/2. So if the slope to BC is 1/2, the perpendicular slope is going to be -2. And where is the middle between here and here? It's going to be right there, because you can see halfway between here and here, it's going to be right there. Over 1 up 2, over 1 up 2. Now, the perpendicular slope is going to be 1/2 of be -2. So from this point, I'm going to go down 2, and it's going to go to right there. And you know that you've done it correctly if this new line hits these two at the same time, because at every vertex, it will always all three lines will always hit the same. So let's look at this one here. So if all vertexes are going to hit the same place, you know it's probably most likely, if I was going to make a wild guess, you know, it would go between here and here. But let's pretend we didn't know that. So between E and C, it goes down 1, 2, 3, 4, and over 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a slope of -1. So if this slope here is -1, then that means the line here is going to have to be +1. And halfway between here and here, if it goes down 4 over 4, it's going to be down 2 over 2. And this slope here is -1, so this slope here has to be +1, and there we go. And you know that the vertices always intersect. All three lines meet at one point. All three lines meet at one point. Okay, the last one. If you see A and B here, so let's figure out what is the slope. It goes up 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, you know, the slope, so the slope is 1/7, right? Up 1 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So that means the perpendicular slope is equal to -7. So let's figure out what that's going to be. So halfway between here and here. So if from there to there is 7, it's going to, at 3.5, it is halfway between in the x direction. It's 3.5, and if it only goes up 1, it's going to be halfway right there. So right there, where I've put this dot, is in the x, I've gone between here and here 3.5, and it goes up 1, so halfway is going to be 1/2. And it looks like it's halfway between A and B, doesn't it? Okay, so from this point, I'm going to go over 1 and down 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if I get a ruler and draw a straight line from here to here, then I know that I've done it correctly, because this hits here perfectly. So my new line goes like this, and it's hit those other two intersections at one point.